to Thomas and Marillyn Playtime.
Today, we're going to the Great Wall. No, not that Great Wall. The Great Wall Cuisine.
We're gonna be eating at Great Wall for breakfast. I meant that Great Wall.
Thomas, you know what dim sum is? Dim sum is they're gonna give you the food on the cart. Pick up the food from the cart, okay? Right there. Pork. No pork? No pork. You see, Thomas, they got all kinds of food in the cart, and then you just pick out the one you want. That's a chicken feet. You want to eat chicken feet? You don't want chicken feet?
Do you want to eat ribs? Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You got chicken feet here. And we got a shrimp meatball. Shrimp ball. Now which one is this?
Chicken.
Chicken. Thomas, you want to eat it? Which one do you want to eat? You want to eat chicken feet? Marillyn, you want to eat chicken feet? Chicken feet. Chicken feet. Here, you want it, Marillyn?
I don't want
Are you gonna eat it? Are you going to finish your chicken feet? You don't like the chicken feet? Right here. What kind of meat inside? Red beans? Okay, we'll have that. And what's inside the this one?
Shrimp inside.
Shrimp?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll have that one. Oh, okay, barbecue pork bun. This is red beans?
Yeah, red beans.
Okay. No, that's it. Thank you very much. Thomas, this one has a shrimp inside there. You like shrimp? Are you gonna eat it? So this one has a red bean inside there. Thomas, this one has shrimp inside there. Eat the sticky rice. Marillyn, do you want red beans? Right here.
Deep try.
This is congee.
Yeah, congee, yeah. Yeah, deep try.
You want to eat congee?
What is that?
Yeah, the same. Right, yeah, congee and deep try.
Thank you.
Yeah, correct.
What is that? Some beef noodle?
Is that shrimp ball?
Yeah, that's a shrimp ball. There's a shrimp ball. Barbecue pork bun.
Which one is your favorite food? Sticky rice or the coconut bun? Both. It's more rapid fried tofu skin. Fried tofu, vegetable and fried tofu. You like that restaurant?